Sometimes you have to do it for yourself once.
The big surprise. I think it's here, let Olivia try by herself. Oh, yes. Oh, down.
You copying what the others are doing?
On your bottom?
Okay, jump, 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 and then let someone else have a turn. Okay.
You're fine.
And okay, one more. One more.
One more?
Last time.
One more?
One more. Jump.
Jump.
Woo! Okay.